Hello, let me show you how you can use Camera Pro Mode on your OPPO A2x. Okay, so first of all you have to go for the More modes, then select the Pro mode. And right now you've got the ISO level right here that you can set up. Here we can find the automatic button. Next we can find the shutter speed that we can simply turn on and off. Also we've got the white balance. Right here we can find focus range, the manual focus or the automatic focus. Right here we can find the exposure compensation. And right here at the top bar we can find this shutter delay. And right here on the left upper corner we can find the flashlight. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.